siguro that one thing that we really have to highlight is understanding signs, subtle signs. Like, though, again, it's tricky, super tricky,
Super
diba?
tricky kasi yung sabi ko nga, smiling depression.
Yeah.
Nakasmile, jolly.
Pero if you would have something to share with the audience, ano sa tingin niyo yung something that they need to have in mind so they can discern na, ay, this is something else?
Siguro yung sa mga friends na huwag matakot na magsabi sa parents or kung hindi man sa parents, sa mga siblings.
Actually, kung hindi man yung parents nung person, baka pwedeng sa designated guidance counselor.
Let us help each other.
Yeah.
Alam mo, I never really thought about that. Yung the friends aspect. But honestly, I can get behind it. I think we need to talk about it.
Yeah.
We need to confront that truth. Kasi, I know, we're not putting pressure or blame into anybody, diba? Pero it's just the truth, you know? Especially with adolescents. Ako, kunwari, speaking from my experience, my classmates knew what I was going through. My friends knew. Never took it seriously. But, they knew. And buti na lang dun sa situation ko at the time, umabot sa kanila. Pero it took a while then. Like, parang I was hiding it for over a year. Up until nung napilay ako, tapos they were wondering why. O kinukulit na nila ako kasi hindi naman ako pala away. Tapos nung inamin ko na lang din. But if my friends told them, they would have found out sooner. They could have helped me sooner. Pero not putting any blame. It's just the truth, you know? If you do tell the parents, if you do tell somebody na older and or
I think
whoever.
prevented.
Oh, it really could prevent. So I could get behind that. Kasi yun talaga yung we need to confront these truths. And we need to do something different.
It is also accountability. Taking accountability dun sa mga tao who's surrounding the one who's diagnosed. Because my experience, medyo nag-struggle din with the family, acknowledging about the mental health challenge. But ang ginawa ko, nag-send ako ng clip dun sa nanay to understand ano yung pinagdadaanan niya. And the dynamic changed nung time na yun. And they got to understand na, ay, okay, ganito pala siya, ganito pala yung nangyari.
Caring comes in different forms. Not just caring na alaga, ganun. Pero it can also come with what you think would be the best. Kasi kapag alam mo nang suicidal yung isang tao, at hindi ka naman psychiatrist, wala ka na sa realm to solve that. Kailangan mo na siyang ipasa sa iba na mas makakatulong. So what I'm saying is, it's different just to understand or to know. It's also different to take action. And it's sometimes hard to bridge that gap. And right now, I think that's where the problem comes. Not just with the friends, but also with families. Kasi we knew We kinda understood. And even though we took action, it wasn't enough. Kaya mahalaga yung sinasabi ni Mommy doon sa tulungan. Kasi ang approach din, that's why we're making Kulit, is it's community healing talaga eh.
Parang
Like,
it takes a village to raise a child.